Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add function keys on Chromebook. The first thing you want to do is go over to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to tap on the time. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog. Once you're in settings, what I want you to do next is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you're going to select device. After selecting device, you're going to tap on keyboard and inputs. Then from there you're going to see the option treat top row keys as function keys. You're going to simply toggle that on. Once you have toggled that on, all you'll need to do now, you can press down on the search key on your keyboard and then you can tap on any one of the top row and it will automatically be a function key. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like to turn it off, you can come back into the settings and you can toggle it off. Thanks for watching.